A Philippine Air Force (PF) FA-50 fighter jet with 2 pilots on board has gone missing during a tactical night operation against communist insurgents in a southern province. The jet lost communication with other aircraft involved in the mission minutes before reaching the target area, and despite repeated attempts to re-establish contact, the aircraft remained unresponsive. The PAF has launched an extensive and thorough search operation, utilizing all available resources to locate the missing jet and its crew. The primary concern is the safe return of the aircrew, and the PAF is hopeful that they will be found soon. The missing FA-50 is one of 12 units acquired by the Philippine government from Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) for P18.9 billion. The aircraft is equipped with ejection seats, and the pilot's personal locator beacons were still emitting signals as of Tuesday afternoon. The search area is described as mountainous, and a search party composed of soldiers is on its way. However, the PAF cannot disclose further details about the search area due to the possibility of it being a hot area or hostile territory. News Crusade.